Hey guys, welcome again. This is Davio White, and today I'll be showing you how to create this effect, the rider effect, that was moving in this design I did for child deck, and I'll be showing you how to do that shortly. All right, let's dive right in. Okay, so I have my biker here, and actually I used 3 frames to create that interaction, and I'm going to show you this is frame 1, and I'm going to duplicate it again, frame 2 and frame 3. All right, now I'm going to displace their positioning to create the effect. So for this one, I'm going to delete him. I'm going to keep the first frame empty, and then for this other one, I'm going to push him to the end. This is him coming back. Alright, so I'm going to push him to the end like this. This frame, I'm going to clip content, select it, and with the navigation key I'll just move him till he disappears. Alright, he's somewhere around there. For the third one, I'm going to push him out of the frame. So let's clip content first. I'm going to push him out of the frame like this. That's more or less like a starting point. All right, that's perfect. All right, now we're ready to create our effect. All right, so all you have to do next is select all, go to create component sets, and then the first one is the first one we're going to draw it to the last. So we're going to draw it to the last one over here, and that is going to be on after delay, obviously. And then we're going to change, this is going to be on smart animate. Usually it will be on instant. Change it to smart animate. And then for this part, this is the tricky part. All right, we're going to change this part to quick, and then for it to be quick, you can see what is giving you is it's too fast. So I'm just going to put 0, an extra 0 to this 600, make that 6000, so you can see the effect it gives. All right, and that's what we're aiming for. Very smooth, very straightforward. And then from that one, we're going to select the second one. The second one is going to come back to this, but let's leave the second one first. And since we've already done this to the third, let's do it for this. So we'll bring it here. It's going to carry the same figures. Quick 6000 ms 800. All right, and then for the last one, which is this, it's going to stretch to the first one, and this one is going to carry a different code. After delay, this is going to be 1. This is on quick, and then we're going to change it to 1. All right, it's because I want the starting points to be faster. I don't want it to be as slow as the other ones. So we're actually done. All right, just take note of the configuration or settings. So from the third one, you take it to the second one. Then from the first, you take it to the third one, which is the one that starts it. This one starts the interaction, and it flows from the third one to this middle one. And then the middle one takes you to this one, because that's the end. This has, remember, this has no biker in it. So this is the starting point, and that's why when it takes it from here to here, we have it in the shortest time, so that it's very fast. All right, yeah, then for this part, we're done with it. I just have to create a frame. So I'll go to design, and let's create a frame. Just of this size. Yeah, this should do. Name this biker, and then we can grab any of them at all. So I actually will grab the third one. You can grab the first one. All right, and then I'm going to position him this way. I changed the background of the frame. Let's give it something like let's say green. Yeah. And then for the frame, select all of the frames and remove the color. Alright, yeah, cool. Alright, with this I am going to enclose my frame, the original frame, so that you don't see the biker shooting out from anywhere. Alright, and let's put this at the center so that you see what's going on. Alright, our frame is here. I just give it linear, horizontal and vertical. Select this, and yeah, as usual, create a flow, and then let's check if that works. All right, so play that, and dash. All right, that's it. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video, and as always, keep creating magic. Bye bye.